Simple steps to set up a course in Kartra. So you heard about this incredible platform called Kartra where you can put your memberships in there, or maybe you already have a membership and you've heard of the benefits of using Kartra and you want to switch over to Kartra. Well, in this video I'm going to show you simple and easy steps to set up your course in Kartra and offer it to people who want to buy your course, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher and I've been selling online since 2009. Matter of fact, I've sold millions of dollars worth of digital and physical products. Now if you're new to my channel, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to look below, see down there where that big subscribe button is. If you've upsized the screen, you need to downsize it to see it, but you're going to see a subscribe button there, and right next to it, first click that subscribe button. Right next to it there's a bell. I need you to smash that bell as hard as you can, and when you do, it'll pop up and say turn on all notifications. Click that turn on all notifications. If you do that, you'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP family that gets notifications as soon as I do a video. On top of that, I want to gift you, yes, I want to gift you with a course, a $97 course, but it's going to be absolutely free. I'll tell you how to get that at the end of this video. So let's get going and let's learn how to put our courses on Kartra. Hey, I'm kind of crazy. I'm kind of crazy about Kartra. Why? It's so good. It does so many things. I moved my entire business over to Kartra. Now we own a food company and we have a training company, we have coaching, and guess where it's all at? Kartra. It's all there. Sure, we have web pages and we use those, but our main marketing platform is Kartra. Now why did I move it there? Well, it's awesome. I mean, it does so many things for you, and I was able to actually cancel 8 different pieces of software because they're all rolled into Kartra, and one of them is memberships, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. One of the best advantages of Kartra is the ability to host these membership sites. Now these are secure sites, they're easy to build, they have templates in there, and it's going to be perfect for whatever course that you're trying to teach. Now here's the cool thing. When you set up your membership in Kartra, it will automatically generate the login pages, the usernames, the passwords. It will automatically send an email to people with all this information, so you don't have to worry about doing it. Now in this video I'm going to cover setting up your actual membership site structure, okay, how we're going to actually build it. I'm also going to cover how to upload content for all of your Kartra memberships, okay, that's very important. And then I'm also going to show you how to set up the access levels and the drip, in other words, how we actually offer this content to the members of the membership over time. Now Kartra membership sites, well, they're pretty similar to an actual structure of a blog, because you're going to have home pages, you're going to have your page post, you're going to have your categories, all that type of thing. So if you've ever worked in something like WordPress, you're going to love this because it's designed the same way. Now as far as content goes, you can use anything you want. You can use audio files, you can use digital files, you can use PDFs, whatever your content is, you'll be able to upload that to Kartra for access to all your members. Now the cool thing I like is that the videos can actually be hosted at Kartra, so they can actually play at the site. You don't have to use a Wistia, or you don't have to use a YouTube or any of that type of thing, those platforms, to actually host your videos. You can host them in Kartra. Now the content itself can actually be delivered to all your members based on time, based on access levels, so you can actually drip content out to people automatically when they sign up for your course based on their access level. This means that you could, drip it out to them daily, weekly, hourly, monthly, whatever you want to do, so that you can actually give them the course in segments the way you want. And you could also have different access levels. So maybe your basic level, the bronze level, only got access to a certain number of the videos, whereas your silver level gets access to a whole lot more videos, and then the gold level gets a whole lot more access, and maybe you have a platinum level that they get a whole bunch more benefits, and you can automatically set all this up in Kartra. Now Kartra is really an all-inclusive one-stop shop for membership sites. It's awesome. Setting up your course in Kartra is really awesome because you can add really neat things that keep people interacting with your course. You can add in there content, of course, but you can also add comments in there. You could have a help desk in there. There's all kinds of extra things you can have in there that most sites just don't offer. Now as I mentioned earlier, the membership is similar to a blog on a regular website. But what we do in Kartra is we can give them different access levels to that particular information. They'll also have a username and password so that they have to log in each time and we know who's using it and when they're using it. If you go to My Memberships and then click on the big green plus membership button, the first step that will appear after you name your membership will be the content builder. The first page customers reach is the home page, so that's what you'll build first. At the top is your logo and a navigation bar. What's really cool about the navigation bar is that it actually is automated and updated as you create your membership site. Simply drag and drop the content you want on your page from the menu on the left side of the screen and fill in the text as you want. Once you've created a main page with some welcome information by clicking and dragging the components you wish from the sidebar, you can actually create a new category for your navigation bar. You just click and drag the new category icon from the top of the sidebar menu in the builder, and you can drag and drop a new category into the top of your page. A category is a page to hold the post with your content. You can simply drag the content you want from each page from the left sidebar and enter the content as you go. Now you can actually create subcategories underneath each one of those too. Okay, let's take a look at how we're going to upload the content for your membership site in Kartra. For your membership site to have the best content, you'll want to host it somewhere. So luckily Kartra got that covered for you. Like I said, you don't need YouTube, you don't need Wistia. You can upload images, audio playlists, videos, and other files that will be available to your members without using an outside provider to actually host those files. Now you can get to the membership builder by going to My Memberships and clicking the big green plus membership button, or if you are adding content to an existing membership you've already created, simply click the edit pencil icon next to that membership. In the builder, simply find the type of content you want to upload in the left hand menu, such as images, videos, playlists, etc., and then drag and drop it onto the page. Uploading an image, that's simple too. All you have to do is select your file. If you wish, you can link the image to a URL of your choosing simply by entering the URL once the image uploads. Audio playlists, they're a snap, not a problem. It's that simple. Drag the element where you wish to place it, then select the audio playlist file you want members to play on the site. Now with videos, you're going to have other options. You don't have to do it the same way. You can use some of these outside services. The first thing that you're going to notice is that there's 4 different options when you're uploading a video in Kartra. You can use a Kartra video, you could use YouTube, you could use Wistia, and you could use Vimeo. While the last 3 options do provide certain flexibilities, using Kartra to host your video gives you additional possibilities like tracking and tagging viewers, using forms within the video window, and more. You don't have to leave the window to upload to Kartra. Simply click upload new video. It's that easy. Finally, you can embed files for your members to download as well. Just drag over the download box icon, click browse, and select the file, and you're good to go. Next thing I want to talk about is setting up your access levels and drip content for all your memberships. A powerful tool for your membership site is to create access levels and drip content. Drip content is so called because it is released over a set schedule, dripping out by day or date. Creating drip content is easy in Kartra. Once you've created your content in your membership area, then you want to go over to the third step, which is access levels. Here you can create the different levels of membership alongside what content is released for different types of members. In the image on the screen now, we've created an advanced membership level, allowing us to lock certain content behind another sign-up wall. Each category you have created in the builder, which are all pages inside your membership site, site can have a different unlock date so that you can drip out content appropriately. Look, I know there's a lot of membership sites out there. There's so many sites and so many softwares, but the truth is, with all those sites, you don't get everything else that Kartra offers. And you may be thinking, well, I'm not going to use all of this right now, so why should I pay for it? But you're not paying for it. That's the key. What I found with all the softwares I had is that one or two of those softwares would pay for the cost of Kartra, and then all the other things in Kartra I pretty much got free. So what I would tell you is, if you're going to do a membership site, you want to have something that's easy, you can incorporate it with your system, and the only way to do that is with Kartra. I don't know of another one that has a really good email platform and email sequences and sales pages, and also has membership. And the thing is, when somebody goes through a course on your Kartra site, they can get to the end and it can automatically trigger an email sequence that sells in your next course or your next offer or your next product, and you can't do that on any other site. A lot of these other sites, you don't even know if they went through the course, or your course is sold alongside with other courses in different niches by different people, so it takes them away from your brand. Look, I know it's a lot of work, and I will tell you that when we moved over, we moved from Infusionsoft, but we had done MailChimp, we had done Aweber, we had done Constant Contact, we had done all these things, and we found Kartra was better. And I guess the stumbling point was, oh my gosh, we have so much stuff to move. And I'll tell you, it took us 6 months to move everything over to Kartra. That was a lot of work, but we're so happy now because everything is in one place. We can get to everything. It works seamlessly. So, you know, I implore you, if you have a course online, if you have any type of membership site whatsoever, I would definitely use Kartra. Now, you can check it out for free by just clicking the link below. I have a Kartra link down there. You could go to the page, no credit card or anything. You can watch an entire video on all the stuff it does. Probably will go into a lot more detail than I did in this video. Then if you're interested, I have a bonus for you. You can get it for $1 as a trial, just a $1 trial. Click the link on that page and you'll be able to try it out for $1. So that's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, right? Hit that subscribe button down there. Next to the subscribe button, you're going to find this. It's a bell. You got to hit the bell. What does the bell do? It makes you part of our family, the Fisher family. If you smash the bell and then you turn on all notifications, I will actually let you know every time I do a new video, so you don't miss a single one. Pretty cool, right? Now, on top of that, I'm going to give you a course, an e-commerce course worth $97. All you got to do is click in the link below. You get it absolutely free. No webinars to watch, no credit card required. Enjoy yourself and get the training. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.